Hello traders, before we get started, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. So in this review, I am going to walk through the Autopip EA on the MQL5 marketplace, break down how it is presented, what it is designed to do, and then go into the historical backtesting to understand its trading behavior. So here we are on the MQL5 marketplace page. This is Autopip EA by Autopip Trading Limited, currently priced at 100 US dollars with a rental option starting from 30 US dollars per month. It's version 2.2, updated in April 2024 with 10 activations available. From the marketplace information, I can confirm this EA supports both MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, so I'll be referring to both. Looking at the description, this is a fully automated trading system designed to trade multiple instruments, including gold, Bitcoin, and EURUSD. So right away, it's not limited to a single asset, but instead operates across different markets depending on configuration. The EA also includes an inbuilt news filter, which means it is designed to avoid trading during high-impact economic events. That's important because it helps reduce exposure during unstable market conditions. Another key point mentioned is that the EA has exit strategy options, which are designed to help reduce risk and protect profits once trades are already active. So instead of only focusing on entries, it also places emphasis on how trades are managed and closed. It also highlights compatibility with funded accounts like FTMO, which suggests that risk controls such as max lot size and stop loss structure are built with prop firm rules in mind. Now, moving into the settings, we can see a structured configuration system. There is a multiplier system for trade scaling, distance settings for trade spacing, and drawdown protection logic that activates based on trade progression. This setting suggests that trade management is dynamic and adapts based on account performance conditions. Now, there is also an entry filter using RSI and Bollinger Bands, meaning trades are only considered under certain market conditions within defined boundaries. That adds an extra layer of confirmation before entries are triggered. The EA also uses a trend time frame filter set on H1, okay, which means even though it may execute on lower time frames, it still references a higher time frame direction to guide decision making. Now, before we move into backtesting, it's also worth noting the risk controls such as pause before news and pause after news, which temporarily block trading around major events, and drawdown based protection that can close trades depending on account conditions. Now, let's just quickly move into the historical backtesting section and see how this system behaves over time. When reviewing historical testing performance, I'm focusing on how the EA behaves within the duration of our backtesting. All right, so based on the images that we have here, okay, so the EA, this is just basically showing the EA's activities, and then okay, this is showing the profit. This was 3 weeks, 31%. Let's just head over to our strategy tester. All right, so we're testing the Autopip gold on EURUSD on the M15 time frame for over about 5 months and a week, starting from the first day of 2026. We are using the last ping to the server for the delays, every tick modeling. And now, just to see the results, from an initial deposit of $100,000, the total net profit was $507.56. The total trades taken were 10, short trades were 5 with 80% win rate, long trades were 5 with 40% win rate. And the largest profit was 817.8, largest loss 954.6. The average profit was 437.98, and the average loss was 530.08. Now, based on this data here, the average risk to reward ratio is pretty bad because the difference between the average profit and the average loss is substantial. And if you look at the win rate, well, the short win rate is 80%, long win rate is 40%. But even if you're going to get an average of both of them, you'll be getting 60%, right? So the win rate is okay though, but not excellent. Now, if we put side by side the win rate and the risk to reward ratio, it's not exactly surprising to have a very little net profit, right? Net profit of about 0.5% over about 5 months, right? From 10 trades. So, since this system uses trade series logic with distance-based scaling and multipliers, I am observing how it handles extended market movement and whether it manages risk consistently during trending or volatile phases. The EA documentation also highlights exit strategies and drawdown protection. So I'm paying attention to how effectively it exits trades that move against the intended direction and whether risk reduction logic activates during deeper drawdowns. Now, it's important to treat this strictly as historical backtest results because real performance can vary depending on broker execution, spread conditions, slippage, and user selected settings like lot size and multiplier values. Okay, so let's just also look at the EA in action. I'm going to turn on the visual mode right away, and then we can just briefly look at the EA in action. Okay, but it's important to treat the results, right? Whatever results you get from your backtesting, they are just historical backtest results and they do not guarantee future performance. From a structural perspective, what stands out is the combination of indicator-based entry filters, news avoidance, and layered trade management using distance and multiplier logic. So this creates a system that doesn't rely on a single signal but instead reacts across multiple conditions. We can see the dashboard here as the EA is active, showing the start lot size, no news, trend is, whether there is trend or not. You can see no trend, but then when trend is up, it's going to show us up, and if trend is down, it's going to show down. Indicator entry, okay, the buy profit, the sell profits, chart drawdown, and all of that, right? You can also see the RSI technical indicator being displayed here. So overall, the Autopip EA for MT4 and MT5 appears to be a multi-asset automated trading system that combines indicator-based entries with structured risk controls, trade scaling logic, and news filtering for more controlled execution. As always, I'll recommend running longer-term testing and experimenting with different settings and brokers to fully understand how it behaves in different market conditions before considering any live deployment. If you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.